Hello there, Conas to Ben from Bite Size Irish here, and today I'd like to take a bite-sized look at how to say the sea in Irish. So the word sea in Irish is farige. Farige. And again, farige. So that's a feminine noun in the singular, in the nominative. So when we place the article un, meaning the in English before it, it takes shevu or aspiration. So if we say the sea, we want to say on arige. On arige. And again, on arige. Now, you might like to say colour of the sea, and that would be da na farige. Da na farige. And again, da na farige. Temperature of the sea is teocht na farige. Teocht na farige. And again, teocht na farige. And the sea bed is grinnell na farige. Grinnell na farige. And again, grinnell na farige. So na farige in these last three expressions is the sea in its genitive singular form, na farige. Okay, so farige, that's one word for sea. But when we're using the word sea in the name of an actual sea, we use a different word, and that's muige. Muige. And again, muige. So, for instance, if we wanted to say the Irish Sea, we would say muige éireann. Muige éireann. And again, muige éireann. And again, when we're using the word ocean to name a particular ocean, we use the word again. Again. And again, again. So if we wanted to say the Atlantic Ocean, we would say on tagain Atlantach. On tagain Atlantach. And again, on tagain Atlantach. Okay, so today we'll finish with a little proverb associated with the sea. Wise words of warning here in this shanachal or proverb. You ready? Ná den dáníocht an bharige. Ná den dáníocht an bharige. And again, ná den dáníocht an bharige. Don't make bold with the sea. Don't mess with the sea. Okay, I hope you enjoyed today's little lesson. From me, Ben, till the next time, slán fo.
Transform your Irish language journey in 1 week. Take the gaeilge 1 week challenge starting Monday. It doesn't matter if you're just starting off, coming back to Irish, or you're already an active learner. Go to challenge.irish or click the link in the description.